Today we have to study about Ohm's law of electricity, class 10th. This is brought to you by meritratio.com. According to Ohm's law, he has stated as we increase number of cells, that will be proportional to the current flowing through the circuit. If we increase number of cells in this situation, there will be brightness in the bulb which is present in the circuit. As we decrease the number of cells in the circuit in this situation, the brightness of the glowing bulb will decrease. But he has told us one thing very clearly, that there should be constant physical condition. There should be constant physical conditions. What is the meaning of constant physical conditions? Particularly, temperature of the atmosphere should be constant. Should be constant. Only in this situation. This should be also cleared by all of you, because many students don't understand. There should be constant temperature where the experiment is going on. You are just taking different reading by means of increasing number of cells in the circuit and writing the reading on your notebook, as well as you are decreasing and writing the reading in your notebook. It is very important. If you are just doing this experiment in your AC room, in this situation, the AC room temperature has got the temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. This should be constant. No one is allowed, meanwhile doing your experiment of Ohm's law, that you are just going to just change the temperature of 16 degrees Celsius to 17 degrees Celsius, or 16 degrees Celsius from 16 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. In this situation, the graph whatever you will get, that will be never a straight line. Exactly the same thing will happen if it is this experiment is done at room temperature. Room temperature is normally taken from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. In this situation, there should be no any changing location whenever you are doing your experiment. That means the temperature of that room temperature should be whatever be, that may be at that time 27 degrees Celsius. Throughout your whole experiment, that should be not changed. That is never allowed to change. If that is changed in this situation, we will never get a graph which is always a straight line whenever drawn between V and I. Very simple thing. Ohm's law has stated as we increase number of cells, there will be increment in the brightness of the glowing bulb which is present in the circuit, or as we decrease number of cells in the given circuit, in this situation there will be decrease in the brightness of glowing bulb. So we can write the statement of Ohm's law under constant physical conditions. Particularly, temperature of the atmosphere should be constant Only in this situation potential is directly proportional to current flowing through the circuit. We can write like V is directly proportional to I, which can be also written V is equal to IR, where R is called constant of proportionality. Also known as resistance of the resistor. The graph between V and I we can take V along y-axis and I along x-axis. Of different reading, it is also found a straight line. This arrow shows the value of current is increasing. This arrow rather shows increasing value of current along the x-axis, and this arrow exactly along the y-axis showing the increasing value of potential along the y-axis. It is always a straight line. The slope of the graph, gives the value of resistance of the resistor. It is very clear that for maintaining the constancy of V, whatever we have got the formula V is equal to IR. For maintaining the constancy of V, we have got V is equal to IR. For maintaining the constancy of V, if the value of I is decreased half to its formal value, then the value of R will increase twice. So we can write, since V is equal to constant, so I is inversely proportional to R.